How to create group chat on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create a group chat on Android, first of all launch the Messages application on your device. Now simply tap on Start Chat option at the bottom right corner. As you do that, you can select on the contacts over here. So I'm going to select on random contacts over here. So let me select the contacts. So you can just add on people by tapping on this plus icon where you can add people. So I'm going to select on random people over here. And let me just tap in. So as I add the people over here, you can just tap on next. You can add a group name, then tap on done. And as I tap on done, there you go. You can create group chat on Android just like this. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.